The error codes P0056, P0057, and P0058 all indicate a malfunction within the heater control circuit of the post-catalytic converter oxygen sensor, HO2S, on Bank 2 Sensor 2. These codes are set when the vehicle's engine control module detects an electrical fault in this specific heater circuit. P0056 indicates a general circuit malfunction, while P0057 and P0058 specify whether the detected voltage in the circuit is too low or too high, respectively, helping to diagnose the root cause of the failure. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with cylinder number 2. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor behind the converter. Visually check the heated oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the heated oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one of the practical solutions to fix the P0056, P0057, and P0058 error codes. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.